In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop e-commerce website builder for seamless online business. This type of tool is very important for business owner, digital marketers. Let's see some features of this type of script. Multiple gateway payments, custom domain supported, POS module, multiple checkout, multiple themes option, beautiful and enticing home pages, bulk product import. Look at some of the features. So look at some of the features. As you can see, so after building this site, we are going to get something like this on the long run after finish building it. To buy this script, use our affiliate link in the description to buy the script. Then after I go straight to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Then next, I'm going to my subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes. Here is it. I've already uploaded my script. Here is it. Then next, I click on it to extract files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then next, I click on close. Let me delete this. Delete. Confirm. So next, this is my extracted file. Let me open it. I select all. Then I'm moving to the root folder. Move files. Next, I click on upon level. Let me copy my subdomain name. Paste it here. Then click on enter. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next, I click on check permission, check requirements, check permissions, configure environment, form wizard setup. Okay, let me just say app setup database. Here I'm going to now go back to my cPanel, then my database to create my database. So I'm going back to my cPanel, then next my databases, then I come here. So let me name my database as this. Then next I click on create database. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. After I successfully created my database, next I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my user. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let me scroll down to create the database user. Yeah, I select this. Then next I click on create user. After successfully creating my user, I click on go back. So now I have created my database and my user. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. I make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Here as well, the one I just created for this. Then I click on add. After that, I give her privileges. I scroll down to make changes. I have successfully added my user to my database. So next, let me copy my database username. I'll go back to my site. Database name, let me put it here first. Let me put this here, but let me edit this. Okay, that's my username. Then next, I click on install. So let me close this. Click here to exit. So it will take me to my site. Now look at my site, look at how it looks like. And so look at the site, look at the sample I showed you other time, look at it. As you can see, they're almost the same. I've successfully installed it. If this video is helpful, please buy me a coffee, link in the description to buy me a coffee. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.